Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download files on AOL Mail account. To download files from AOL Mail, first of all, make sure to open up a web browser and log into your AOL Mail account. After you're signed into your AOL Mail account homepage, from the main homepage, go ahead and click Open the Inbox tab. Now, open up the email containing the file you'd like to download. Once you do that, select the file you'd like to download and left-click on it. Now click on Save Image As and select a destination folder where you'd want the download to end up to. Once you are done, click Save and you will then be able to download a file on AOL Mail. Now you can open up the file in your computer's file explorer or location where you saved it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.